With Shell Fleet Hub tutorial videos, we'll show you how to navigate with quick and easy steps. Let's start. Select Cards from the menu option. Then, click Order Cards. If you have more than one account, please select which account you will order for. Step 1. Enter the card details. You may key in the driver's name, enter the vehicle registration number, whichever is necessary. Step 2. Choose a purchase option by clicking the Select button. Choose the products you want to purchase using your fleet card. Note that the options for purchase category varies in different countries. You may also select a restriction profile if you have one. Not familiar? You may check our video on restriction profiles to know more. Step 3. Complete security options. You can create your 4-digit PIN or choose a system-generated PIN. Please enable current mileage to track odometer reading when making a transaction. Step 4. You have the option to assign a card group. You can add a card to an existing card group or create a new card group. Click Confirm Order to proceed. In the Order Summary page, you can review or edit sections by clicking the pencil icon. Once done, click Place Order to confirm. Confirmation will be shown that the order has been placed, and that's how you order a card.